on Thursday at the Campos Mini Stadium. The five-a-side tournament comprised of 12 teams from selected primary schools in Etiosa and the Lagos Island local government area. It was created to promote education through sport for children and to create a fitness culture in pre-teens.
Our 5-5 football challenge is promoting education through sports. We have noticed that across the country, most of the football properties that you have are primarily targeted at students who are in university, the teenagers, those that are ready to begin to blossom and make money, for the sponsors of these events. So we realize that no one is really, paying attention to the natural grassroots talents that we have abounding in our country, and we feel that this is the best place to start from.
St. Stephen's Primary School emerged winners of the two-day event with a 3-1 victory over their neighbours, St. George's Primary School.
It's good that things like this are happening because everybody needs to take part, everybody needs to contribute to the growth of Nigerian football. Like every other aspect of Nigerian life, we shouldn't just leave it to the government or to the authorities